Hey guys, we're just working on the transfer case here again on this Bronco. We're just going to do a quick little repair on that case where that slot was cut where the pump was supposed to ride. So what we've done is taken a bolt and we've ground the sides down on that bolt so that it'll fit in that slot that the pump made. And then what we're going to do is we've center punched that piece there. We're going to drill through there, and if this doesn't work out, the case is junk anyway, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be a pretty solid little repair for this case. So we'll drill through, we'll take that bolt and we'll bolt it in there with some silicone around it to seal it up, and put a nut on the outside, get it all nice and tight, and then shape that piece so that it looks the same as the rib. And that should be a pretty solid place for that pump to ride against, and instead of aluminum it'll be riding against a steel bolt, and should prevent that from happening again in the future. So we'll see how this works out here. Okay, so we got it cleaned up, hole drilled through. That little bolt should fit in there nicely. Got it cleaned up on the outside. We've got a nice little bolt nut combo to go in there, and we'll silicone that in and we'll show you what she looks like when she's done. Alright, well, we got that bolt in there. You guys can see that. Maybe turn that towards the light a bit. And got it shaped a little bit. We'll finish shaping it some more if we have to when it comes to putting it back together. And just to show the back side there, just got a nice little nut on it and some silicone on the bolt. That will prevent it from leaking, and if it ever does happen to leak on us, we can always just take that nut off, throw a rubber washer on there, put the nut back on, and should be able to seal it up there again. So you can just kind of see the contour that we got with it, and I think it should be pretty good repair for that case. Makes that thing salvageable again. And we also, while we were at it, we took that planetary out. Everything looks to be in good shape there, so we'll get that cleaned up and should be ready to rock here in no time.